Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. We are here with a tutorial on the PuPrime broker from the TradingFinder website. So we go from the Reviews section to the Forex Brokers section and select the PuPrime broker from the available brokers. By clicking the option, we enter the official website of this broker. As you can see at the top, by using the sign up option, we can enter the registration section. Here it is requesting some additional details, information from us. After entering this information, meaning name, email, and password, and clicking the option that you are not a US citizen, you click on the Create Account option. On the next page, we click on the Create Now, Create Live Account option. In the next step, it requests more information for registration, which we enter. After entering this information, we click on the next option. We select our trading platform, the type of account, and the currency we want to work with. And we agree to the website's terms. Well, as you can see, our trading account has been successfully created. In the upcoming videos, we will cover the deposit, withdrawal, and account verification sections with you, wishing you success and profitability.